It's our first time in Kyoto and we decided to take the bus. Hi, we are Here Come the Tans and I'm sharing with you our Skyhop bus experience. Right outside Kyoto Station, makikita ang ticket booth na nag-open ng 8:30 a.m. Pwede ka mag-purchase online or pwede din naman sa ticket booth. Once maka-purchase ka, meron silang printed QR code na dapat i-present bago sumakay ng bus. 2-day ticket yung binili namin para naman chill lang kapag iikot kami sa Kyoto. Very important na itago yung QR code kasi every time sasakay ng bus, hinahanap nila to. Meron silang binibigay na earphones na pwede ninyong gamitin para makakinig kayo ng history about sa place na pupuntahan nyo. Ito pala yung ticket prices kapag 1 day lang or 2 days yung gagamitin nyo. And meron silang timetable na binibigay para alam ninyo kung anong oras dadating yung next bus sa destination. Important to check na merong Skyhop bus sticker yung bus stop para sure kayo na dadaan doon yung bus na sasakyan ninyo. On our second day, maulan, kaya doon kami sa part na merong shade at nakakatuwa kasi ready sila dahil meron silang binigay na raincoats for their guests. For families with babies, pwede kayong gumamit na lang ng carrier para easier to board and alight the bus. We recommend this for families with kids para hindi nakakapagod to commute around while you want to go sightseeing. And you don't have to go down at every stop. Instead, you can choose which attraction you want to go to. Stay tuned for more videos. That's it. Thank you for watching.